Are you sick and tired of trying to run Bactocera on your Steamdeck Oled? Well, you have come to the right place. I'm going to tell you the full guide and setup by using Bactocera on all devices. But this is especially for people that want to use Bactocera Linux in Steamdeck. So, as you can see, first we have to run Bactocera. So, we are running Bactocera Linux. So, after you've already downloaded Bactocera, yes, of course, it will glitch a little bit, but that's fine. So, of course, there's going to be a loading screen. But while I'm going to tell that, I'm going to explain to you how to set up the Wi-Fi and how to play games. Other games, not just freeware games. So as you can see, this is Bactocera. And as you can see, we have a lot of games that already downloaded. Now this is called freeware games. As you can see, there's Doom, there's Super Mario World. But let me tell you how to turn on the Wi-Fi. First, you will need a dongle. So I live not in America, but if you're in America, you might get access to Wi-Fi without this because this only supports American broadband connections. So that's why if you're not in America, US, you should buy a dongle. If not, well, you're fine to go. So all you gotta do is plug your dongle, Wi-Fi dongle, and as you can see, when it light up blue, that means it's okay. So here you have to go to the menu. So in the menu, press this called the start button, and it will go to a lot of menus. But we have to focus on this, the network settings. Now, as you can see, I've already been connected. So first, you need to enter your Wi-Fi SSD, which is the name of your Wi-Fi, and the password. Then it will run. So you need to have internet status always connected for this, always. Because if you don't, we cannot import games. And let me tell you, this is the most important IP address. What is an IP address? Internet protocol address. So basically where you live, basically. But we're going to use this IP address on a lot of things. So let's go to the computer. Okay, as you can see, I'm in the computer now. So you need to go to this in the Google Chrome. Now first I'm going to download not Space Invaders, but let's see Pac-Man. Okay, let me just close this. So as you can see, I already have downloaded Pac-Man. So you're wondering, how do I transport all of these files? Well, we are going to use a special method that I do recommend. And if you happen to have a SanDisk or hard drive, it will be more hard. But in the simple way, you go to your manager files, your file manager, and then go to network. If it doesn't work, there is going to be a notification like you do not allow file sharing. Yes, we are going to use file sharing. So remember this, the IP address. What are you going to do in network? First, we have to change this into, as you can see, I already have //2 backslash backslash, and then your IP address. Place that in there, and then when you have entered, you will see a folder called share. And share, if you open it, is actually the entire files in here. Yes, we can access the file from here. Then you go to ROMs, and here it is. You have to pick one ROM that supports your game. So my game is a .zip. What can work with the .zip? Well, there is a lot that can work with .zip. So as you can see, we can search here in the info, and then there should be like this file and this ROM only accepts blah blah blah. This ROM only accepts blah blah blah. ROM files accepted .wav, .ddp, .mff, blah 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 blah. We have it. .zip. That's what we were looking for. And there you have to carefully go to your downloads. Oh yeah, I have installed a lot of games. And then put your Pac-Man Italy PAL or whatever game you want on the supported file. And that's it. It's that simple. Now let's go back to here. So you have to go back. Of course, we have to go back. And then you remember, go to game collection settings. Wait. No. Game settings and update game list. So it updates. So if you don't update it, there will be no game that you imported. You have to update or like resync your game list or like save your game list or load your game list. Yes. And as you can see, there is going to be like a new file Adam because my ROM is Adam, and as you can see, there is your game Pac-Man Atari, and if you open it and then it crashes like this, why does it happen? Because of course, it's compressed. You have to extract. Now, extracting is a little bit hard because you have to delete the last file, or not you're going to have like duplicates. But yeah, it's pretty simple. You just need to change it from here. So let's go back to the computer. So all you gotta do is just, yeah, of course, opening these files might harmful for your computer, but we're just going to right click and then extract all. Recommend sorry. And then we have another one. Another one. And then we should delete this. But by the way, yeah, we have to delete this. Yes. Okay. Now carefully go back into your Steam Deck and then go to game settings and update game list again. And then finally, go to the new ROM. Wait, where is it? Okay. Wait. Why is this here? Game list.xml. Okay. Oh, it's because, see here, it's actually an A26. So you really have to like go into the actual files. So it turns out I was wrong. It wasn't .zip. Now that's the thing you really need to see. So it's .A26. So that means it does work. Well, that's easy because I have a ROM that supports A26. So all we gotta do is just copy this, and delete it. Yeah, sometimes you will have kind of like these like arrow thingies. I mean, it's really like that. Like I've got a few error, but It's really easy. So all you gotta do is just here. We found it. Atari 26. Also, you could go to your downloads and wait, not your downloads, your history, not history, where you downloaded, and for our Atari 2626 Atari 26 basically, then after that you can just use it. So like it's pretty like kind of like that, but it's really easy. So after we have gone to the right file, is it the simple as copy? Ooh, there is a unexpected error. Okay, maybe we might have to try. No, no, no. There is nothing wrong. You don't need to worry about this if you happen to have this. So after you've done that, you have to. So every time you want to like reload, do some stuff, you always have to go to the menu and game settings and update the game list. Okay, and as you can see, there is Atari here, Atari, and then Pac-Man. Okay, if it like arrow, nope, nope. It works. So yeah, let's go. It works, guys. We're playing Pac-Man. So this is really glitchy because like the old Pac-Man, you know, old games, right? But yeah, you can play Pac-Man here, as you can see. So that is like the tutorial on how to actually like, like install, import games, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's it's just simple as that. And yeah, enjoy your game, everybody. So after that, I'm going to tell you how to update. Now, this is a very crucial. This is actually very crucial. Now, this you could go to Atari and then like power off. So like game reset. Yeah, you can game reset. But the thing is, if you turn on these games, you cannot like exit. Yeah, you cannot literally exit. So the only way is to shut down your Steam Deck and then open it again. I mean, yeah, it will be a little bit tiring, but I guess it's worth it. So after we shut down our Steam Deck, we're going to open it again, and I'm going to tell you how to update. So some files that are compressed need to be extracted, and some don't. And it's okay if you do extract it. I mean, there's no difference. But the thing is, you have to remember in the underscore info, this is the most important thing. You have to search this. What game is it compatible with? Compatible with? What games is like compatible with? What game it actually runs? And then you can actually play it, because as you can see, I got fooled. Turns out I used .zip, but turns out the inside is A26 or Atari 26. But yeah, so here it is. This is the last step. Oh yeah, I'm going to tell you, if you want to play a game or download a game, you need BIOS. I already installed BIOS, but BIOS is, you can use it with network sharing too, like this. So BIOS is what actually installs it. If there's no BIOS, yep, it won't work. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to. So again, you can just go to the updates and downloads over here, and then there is this software update. This is one of the most important things you have to think. I am worried, right? Because my like, if you accidentally download the wrong update, your Steam Deck is gone. $600 wasted. So do not, I say do not, like, you don't want your Steam Deck to be broken or like turn into a
nuclear bombs.
But after that, we're going to just go here. So, what is the difference between like stable and butterfly and beta? Like, what those names mean? Like, what is this stable butterfly? What's that? Well, we have to go back to the computer and go to Bactocera, and then we have to go to the Steamdeck. And usually, right, there is going to be like stable and like butterfly, but I don't know why. There is like no like there is no nothing. It doesn't say anything. But usually that means there is no updates. So wait, if there is an update, it's going to be Steam Deck. The current update is stable, or the current update is a butterfly, and then you have to change that to butterfly or stable or what it says. But if it says butterfly and you pick stable, your Steam Deck will no longer exist because that update is an old update. So basically, we're literally updating the previous update. So like it will crash. I don't know what happened because I never tried it and I'm worried. But you shouldn't be worried. At least you know that now. But I think that's it for my tutorial. Thank you for watching, and yeah. See you tomorrow for new Steam Deck OLED tutorials or any electronics tutorials. Bye!